Starting around 19 July 2023, Star Atlas DAO generally is exchanging at 13 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 1.9% in especially most recent 60 minutes, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Polis basically has a complete market cap of $19,242,784, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $352,789, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. This in every way that really matters makes Star Atlas DAO, Polis, extremely positioning at 602 in the cryptographic money market, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. On the off chance that you by and large are a crypto financial backer, and considering what generally is the Star Atlas DAO cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Star Atlas DAO in a real sense be especially worth in 2023 in a for the most part huge manner? Is Star Atlas DAO a very wise speculation or in every way that really matters, worth purchasing in 2023, or so they explicitly thought? Will Polis cost in a real sense outperform its record-breaking especially high in an unobtrusive manner? These basically are our Star Atlas DAO cost expectations for Polis's future. Star Atlas DAO, Polis, value expectation 2023. As per the Star Atlas DAO conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Polis cost generally is supposed to commonly cross a normal value level of 15 cents. The normal certainly least value worth of Star Atlas DAO, toward the finish of the genuinely current year, ought to be 14 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Besides, Polis can especially arrive at a really most extreme value level of 17 cents, which basically is very huge. Polis value figure July 2023. The Star Atlas DAO gauge for July 2023 expects that the Polis may basically arrive at a greatest worth of 13 cents, with an essentially least cost of around 12 cents, which generally is genuinely critical. Discussing the typical value, Polis can generally stretch around 13 cents for July in an unpretentious manner. Star Atlas DAO, Polis, value gauge August 2023. For August 2023, the cost of Star Atlas DAO fundamentally is basically anticipated to for the most part arrive at a typical cost of 13 cents. While the coin could exchange between a truly limit of 14 cents and a genuinely least of 13 cents, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. Polis value figure September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Star Atlas DAO generally is determined to sort of be at around a genuinely least worth of 13 cents, showing how on the off chance that you in every practical sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what really is the Star Atlas DAO cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Star Atlas DAO truly be essentially worth in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? The Star Atlas DAO value worth can by and large arrive at an in every practical sense limit of 14 cents, with the extremely normal exchanging worth of 13 cents in United States dollars, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Star Atlas DAO, Polis, value gauge October 2023. For October 2023, the cost of Star Atlas DAO is generally anticipated to generally arrive at an in every practical sense normal cost of 14 cents, while the coin could exchange between a sort of limit of 15 cents and at least 13 cents, which sort of demonstrates the way that the Star Atlas DAO value worth can really arrive at a for the most part limit of 14 cents, with the by and large normal exchanging worth of 13 cents in United States dollars in a sort of huge way. Star Atlas DAO, Polis, value expectation November 2023. Concerning November 2023, Star Atlas DAO cost for the most part is gauged to truly arrive at a sort of the least cost of 13 cents, so starting around 19 July 2023, Star Atlas DAO in every way that really matters is exchanging at 13 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 1.9% in very most recent 1 hour in a by and large huge manner. The Polis cost could generally arrive at a greatest cost of 16 cents, with the extremely normal expected cost around 14 cents, which for the most part shows that by and large is Star Atlas DAO a wise speculation, or for the most part worth purchasing in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner. Star Atlas DAO, Polis, value expectation December 2023. Concerning December 2023, Star Atlas DAO cost in every practical sense is figured to basically arrive at a scarcely the least cost of 14 cents, which generally is very huge. The Polis cost could arrive at a truly greatest cost of 17 cents, with the kind of typical expected cost around 15 cents, showing how Star Atlas DAO, Polis, value expectation December 2023 concerning December 2023. Star Atlas DAO value sort of is estimate to arrive at a sort of the least cost of 14 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Star Atlas DAO truly passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Star Atlas DAO's cost most certainly has shown a genuinely decent increment of 8.19% in the truly most recent 24 hours in a truly significant manner. From very most recent 7 days the Polis sort of was in genuinely great vertical pattern and expanded by 3.12%, which generally is very huge. Star Atlas DAO really has shown extremely sort areas of strength for of potential recently, and this could be excellent chance to dive right in and truly put resources into an unobtrusive way. In fact, inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of Polis generally diminished by 50.291%, killing an astounding pretty normal amount of 13 cents from its sort of current worth. So Star Atlas DAO, Polis, value expectation November 2023. Concerning November 2023, Star Atlas DAO cost basically is conjecture to basically arrive at an especially the least cost of 13 cents. So starting around 19 July 2023, Star Atlas DAO in every practical sense is exchanging at 13 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 1.9% in essentially most recent 1 hour in a huge manner. This unexpected down by and large implies that the coin truly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can generally be a very great generally purchase a potential open door for most certainly speedy interest in a very significant manner. Star Atlas DAO value estimate 2023 facts. What will in a real sense be Star Atlas DAO essentially worth in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? The Polis cost basically is gauged to especially arrive at and in every way that really matters, most extreme degree of 17 cents, with exceptionally least cost of 14 cents, toward the finish of 2023. Or so they essentially thought. Star's Atlas DAO sort of have a future, which basically is genuinely critical. As far as value, Star Atlas DAO fundamentally has a remarkable exceptionally potential to by and large arrive at new levels, showing how these most certainly are our Star Atlas DAO cost expectations for Polis's future, which by and large is very critical. It by and large is estimate that Polis will increment in esteem, most certainly further appearance how Polis value conjecture July 2023. The Star Atlas DAO gauge for July 2023 expects that the Polis may arrive at a fundamentally greatest worth of 13 cents, with an especially least cost of around 12 cents, in an essentially significant manner. As per explicit specialists and business experts, Star Atlas DAO can in every practical sense hit the scarcely the greatest cost of 77 cents till 2030, exhibiting that sort of is Star Atlas